Are you looking for the best automatic solar light in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best automatic solar light. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Towkka wireless solar lights outdoor. All of the additional hardware you need to set up these solar lights is included with your order. Many customers appreciated how easy it was to install the lights using the materials given. Some users even said that it took only 10 minutes to install all 8 of the lights. These security lights also have the same 3 lighting modes that you have grown to expect. There is a motion-only option, constant dim light, and constant dim light that brightens when motion is picked up by one of the sensors. Users found that they were bright enough, and many noted that they use them to find their keys to get inside at night or take their dogs outside. If you need a reliable product for that reason, this option would be a decent choice. The battery will last during the night as well, as long as there is a fair amount of sunshine for it to charge. One customer even mentioned that these lights ran the entire night without being in the sun the day before, so we would have to say the battery is reliable too. The brand also stated that they are waterproof and durable. We would have ranked them higher, but they seem to have a longevity issue. The lights might start to slowly stay on less and less until they just stop lighting up. Not every customer had this problem, but it is still worth mentioning here. Moving on, at number 4, we have the LEPOWER Solar Security Light. The LEPOWER Security Light is another 3-lamp head option for automatic solar lights. The 3-head design allows the light to reach a wide range, making this item best for anyone who wants to illuminate a larger space than most. The motion sensor can detect movement at a range of 72 feet and a degree of 180. The battery can run about 8 hours a night after taking power from the amorphous silicon solar panel. This material works even in low levels of sunlight, so you should be able to charge your lights even on cloudy days. The solar panel can be moved and placed wherever the sunlight is. That way, you can charge the battery much more efficiently. The lamps do take a lot of power to run since they fall in a range of 1600 lumens and 5500K lumens, which is very bright. The brand says that the solar lights will last 50,000 total hours. Their product is quite durable, waterproof, and comes with 20 feet of cable on top of that. Users of this product praised the brightness of the lights and how long the battery lasts. However, some users did wish that it stayed on longer between detecting motion. The longest setting is 2 minutes before the lights will turn back off. At number 3, we have the SEZAC Solar Security Lights. These lights also have 3 different modes. However, it was not ranked as high because the motion detection range is lower than those above. The first mode is the basic motion sensor mode, which turns on when it detects movement. Second, the strong light mode provides constant bright light. And the final mode, normal long dim light mode, keeps the light on at a lower brightness. It will also brighten when it detects movement. While the motion detection range is a bit lower than other products on this list, what it does sense in that range is very accurate. The lamp and panels are made from high-quality materials that resist water damage as well. The lights still do reach a large area, plus you get 6 of them for a fantastic price. That way, you can illuminate an ample space with ease. You can have a set up front, in your backyard, 1 on each side of your house, and still have 2 more lights to place. If you need a lot of lamps, we would recommend this pack to you. The lithium-ion battery needs to be charged between 8 and 10 hours if you want it to last the entire night. We appreciated that this item came with an alternative charging method, making it perfect for use during cloudy weather too. The order comes with everything you need to install your lights, so you will not need to buy anything extra to set them up. At number 2, we have the AmeriTop Solar Motion Sensor Lights. The 3-light design of this product is unique and allows it to illuminate a wide area. If you have a large yard or need the light to cover a lot of space, these automatic solar lights could be the best option for you. since the three heads together can produce between 1500 and 5000 lumens on their higher settings. The auto mode feature will turn on the lamps from dusk until the sun rises again, then allows the panels to charge during the daytime. We appreciated that the solar panel could be removed from the lights. That way, you can set it somewhere that gets a lot of sunshine, making the light last longer at night. The three lamps have the unique ability to shine light across a large angle. The motion detector also has a wide range, meaning you can rely on the security lights to brighten any space when there is someone outside. Overall, this set of automatic lights is best for those who need to brighten a wide area at night. It does have multiple lighting modes as well, so you should easily be able to find a use for it. And finally, at number 1, we have the Aootek solar motion sensor lights. This set of lights is more for security purposes than decoration. They are powerful and come with a large solar sensor. The reason we gave it the best overall is because of the 3 lighting modes that it comes with. The first mode is designed for security. The lights will turn on automatically when someone sets off the motion sensor, which has a large range. The sensor will also turn them off on their own too, so you do not have to worry about doing that. The next included mode leaves the lights on all night. This feature can be useful to use if you are working outside or need to see it in your yard. The final mode is called Smart Brightness Control. This setting keeps the lights on all night but makes them brighter when the sensor detects motion. And finally, this product is durable. It resists heat and water and provides many benefits if you need to have more security at night. You can install it easily anywhere on your porch, side of your home, in a garden, and more. The solar panels even have a 20.5% conversion rate. The only real downside to this item is that it does not have a warranty. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.